Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone are doing great. Again, welcome back to GSP Guides once again. We are on the track as of now. Today's update that we have brought is something more special and a wonderful and great opportunity that you guys should utilize it. Once again, welcome back. I have just now recently posted on LinkedIn page of GSP Guides. You can check from there itself. So this opportunity is something good related to a good MNC. So this opportunity is from Accenture. I have mentioned all the details like all the eligibility criteria, the qualification, the experience that is required, and what are the required skills that you should be having, and the location. Everything has been mentioned on this LinkedIn page. You can check and follow. I would be regularly now posting more updates soon on this channel. So stay tuned and connected so that you never miss any update in future. So talking about the today's update, if you are looking for a software engineering opportunity in a good MNC, then today's update is for you. So Accenture has announced hiring for position of custom software engineer. The location, as you can check, is Pune, and the candidates with 0 to 2 year experience can apply for this role. I have mentioned it clearly. So those who have and those who right fit for this opportunity, they can definitely apply for this role. So let's look at all the details, what the job role is, and all those details. As I've discussed, job role is custom software engineer, and the position is custom software engineer. So what you guys have to do is you should be having experience from 0 to 2 years in between range, plus qualification you should be having 15 years full-time education. This is required thing. Then only they would be considering your applications, and if considered, then you can get a shortlisting email. So now let's understand what the role involves. So as a custom software engineer, you will be responsible for mainly developing custom software solutions, designing and coding applications, then enhancing existing systems and working on scalable software applications. So I have mentioned all the points like what are the roles and responsibilities that you have to do day to day. Plus I have also given the skills. These are the skills required. They would be checking and assessing you on these skills. Make sure you apply, but before applying, mention all these skills in your resume, because if these skills being present in your resume, then it will be adding as an advantage from the rest of the candidates that they're applying for. So talking about the key responsibilities, you would be mainly develop and enhancing custom software solutions. You would be collaborating with cross-functional teams to understand project requirements. You would participate in code reviews and many more things. So I have mentioned the skills required and the key responsibilities, everything. I will be pasting the link to apply in the description box. You can check from there itself. If you don't find in the description box, you can check in the comment box. It would be definitely present there. So I would be pasting one Google Drive link where you can go and see all the latest jobs that have been updated and posted. I would be mentioning there, or I would be posting there, so you can get a one good link tree, so that there would be no difficulty in other updates that you are looking for and applying for. On one page you can apply all those updates, like all those companies that you are interested in. So moving on to the main discussion part, like freshers with strong Python skills are required, recent graduates looking for IT opportunities, then early career software developers. So candidates interested in application development and agile methodologies would be considered. So these are some of the interview preparation tips that I have given. So moving on to the link, this is the custom software engineering profile role for which Accenture has recently announced on careers. You can see the project role, project description, everything. What are the good skills that you should be having, and if required or not, then you can check the summary as well. Then roles and responsibilities, talking about the professional and technical skills. additional information. So qualification is just you should be having 15 years full-time education. This is thing, and location everything I have given. So yeah, this is a great update. Don't miss this opportunity. Apply as soon as possible. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.